Hai dan selamat datang kembali. Terima kasih atas semua dukungan. We are Pall family. My name is Natalia.
I'm Daniel.
And
today we have Tanah
Papua. A
paradise for birds.
Yeah. Let's check out this video.
Subscribe, like. Don't forget as well, if you're new, subscribe, like.
And hit that notification bell. That will really help us. Tanah Papua. Everything green.
Everything looks nice.
Green country.
Visiting 4K.
Anak-anak, sekarang kami sudah di hutan kita. Kenapa kita mau datang seperti ini supaya kalian tahu ke depan kita.
What he said. Messing around with the subtitles.
Anak-anak, sekarang kami sudah di hutan kita. Kenapa kita mau datang seperti ini supaya kalian tahu ke depan kita.
Nice colors.
I don't know what kind of bird is this, to be honest.
Most of them.
Definitely we're not gonna know. Oh, there are loads. Oh, I think they brought the kids from school, maybe, so they can. Red bird of paradise.
For those.
Yeah, see how she. Like a mustache. Rifle bird. Wow. Oh my! Look at that transformation. 12 wire. It's dancing.
It's like.
Wow. That's crazy.
So many colors.
Indonesia's land of Papua, Tanah Papua.
Tanah Papua.
Consisting of two provinces, Papua supports one of the only remaining large tropical forests.
That looks like a bird. See?
I think that is the...
With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet. And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
I think that in this side, in Papua, was that 3 lakes, volcanic lakes, with 3 different colors.
I remember the lakes, the volcanic lakes, yeah, but I don't know where it was, to be honest. I don't remember.
Terutama yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu karena hutan di Papua itu memberi banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi sumber kehidupan mereka itu sebetulnya
providing everything.
Papua's geography contains a variety of ecosystems.
So nice.
Coasts, mangroves, forests, and mountains that supports roughly half of Indonesia's biodiversity.
Really?
And was the where you saw the snow?
Species of birds are found in Papua.
Oh yeah.
Including the birds of paradise, many of which live nowhere else on Earth.
Really, just there?
Most of them I haven't seen them in my life.
Papua, apalagi cendrawasih itu sangat luar biasa, sangat unik, sangat cantik.
Unique, definitely they are unique.
Tidak bisa dilupakan.
The birds of paradise are icons of Papua's biodiversity. Their unparalleled beauty has made them a symbol of international renown.
Yang burung yang itu boleh dorang selalu suka untuk cari-cari di dekat kampung.
Kita dengar ini suara toh, kita dengar suara baru. Kita jalan pagi dengar suara langsung. Kita jalan pas dia suara itu baru ketemu ini dia punya sarang.
Global interest in Papua's
They're
birds
amazing.
Wow.
is leading to increased opportunity for wildlife tourism, bringing newfound
Never seen so
economic benefits
many.
to local communities.
Burung-burung yang seperti kakatua raja, kakatua putih, rangkong.
Semakin nipis.
Okay, most of those are like
main
parrots.
di tanah. Kita jalan
I
lagi
wanted to
ketemu
say
ini.
the same thing.
Ini parotnya ini
But
tempatnya main
this
parot.
is
This
very
one are
funny.
like,
This looks like parrot as well.
Burung yang kita akan panggil khusus yang malam itu Papua frogmouth. Banyak selukai lewa utai di no sop tu kai memnya mem tuma wencap tuma ada neno neno bisa punya tumi tiai cem punya tun cita dinjam ti cem punya tu hong tu no
basically gives everything.
Everything. Provides, yeah, everything.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world. The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals,
Most of them
and
they are
gas
destroying.
has arrived.
And gas.
The future existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity and the communities that rely on them depend on the choices made today.
Yeah, but most of the companies they don't care. Like
Yeah.
they are interested only in the.
Just to take the resources and
The governments of Papua and West Papua are bringing together non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
Adik-adik yang kecil bilang, jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
I don't know why they
There are
letting
plenty of
them.
examples of ecosystems destroyed by overexploitation. With its forests still intact, Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment to thrive.
Keindahan yang di Raja Ampat khususnya di Saprogren itu sangat indah sekali.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the Raja Ampat region of West Papua show that development and conservation can go hand in hand.
it's good that they are not cutting the
Within
trees
the forests,
like in other
local leaders are
countries.
organizing their communities with similar goals.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita. 1, hutan. 2, konservasi. 3, pariwisata.
Yang penting kita jaga burung baik-baik. Mereka lihat ya uang itu langsung. Ini mereka kasih di ini kita punya kampung.
That's good,
The
isn't it?
forests, the birds, and the communities make this region unique and irreplaceable.
And it is unique. I've never seen.
Hutan di Papua harus hancur,
Destroyed.
masyarakat di Papua itu sudah tidak punya apa-apa lagi. Jadi kehidupan mereka dan harta mereka itu adalah di hutan.
Provides
As the
everything.
lungs of the
So
planet, tropical forests are an important buffer against our changing climate. If Papua's ecosystems are degraded, the effects
There
will
will
be
be
felt not
nothing,
just
yeah.
locally, but
Globally.
across the world.
Arfak ini berguna sekali untuk masa depan.
Through collaborative leadership, achieving sustainable growth, maintaining the livelihood of local communities, and protecting globally significant biodiversity
Yeah,
are
this one I
possible
was saying,
for Tanah
she's so
Papua
funny.
it's like a
and all
hut.
of
Yeah.
humanity.
Imagine the
Alam
sounds.
Papua sangat indah. Jadi saya minta kepada masyarakat Papua umumnya, mari kita jaga negeri kita yang indah ini. Sehingga ke depan anak cucu kita akan menikmati apa yang kita rasakan hari ini dan seterusnya.
Protect it,
Speaking,
guys.
yeah, so
Mari.
nice.
Kita mendukung konservasi yang ada di Papua umumnya.
This was a paradise for birds. Tanah Papua was a really nice video. Different species.
Amazing
we
birds,
never
yeah.
seen them.
No.
I personally watching a lot of documentaries and National Geographic. Never seen them, and it is unique. How the guy was saying, you need to protect that. It's a unique thing in the whole world, I think.
Yeah.
And
For their grandchildren, for their future.
how it's in Europe. In Europe, they started to cut everything.
Yeah, that I was saying.
Most of the forests, you don't have one forest.
No.
They didn't touch. They don't care. Like they care only about the making money.
They are just cutting all the trees.
What the guy was
Stealing.
saying there, yeah, it is a unique place. The lungs of the Indonesia and the world, big part of the world as well. Don't let anybody touch it.
Be very protective. And take care of your land. That's really important.
If it's unique, if it looks how it looks, has so many species, over 600 I've seen. 600, you can find them only in
Just in
Papua.
Papua. Yeah. Imagine in all Indonesia.
So yeah, do whatever you can to keep it like that and protect it. Plus, it's the source for everything.
For everything, yeah.
For
Just to survive.
for the village. So
People.
whoever has a bad intention, keep your hands out. Keep your hands off.
Keep your hands up. Yeah.
Keep your hands off. And yeah, it was a really nice video.
Very, really interesting, yeah.
Deep meaning.
Because I never seen all these species. So
this is another part of Indonesia.
the
It's
land
not
of Papua.
only. It's we got that in comments as well, because Indonesia doesn't mean only Bali.
Yeah, because Bali is famous.
Parties and things like those. It's a full pack.
all include.
I prefer
all
this
included.
part, like with seeing, knowing, finding out new stuff, because
More than parties you can have everywhere.
So
Even at home.
yeah, this was our reaction to this video, Paradise for Birds.
Thank you for your suggestions. Yeah,
Was
we really enjoyed it.
really nice, and we enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you're new or you're enjoying watching these videos with us, subscribe, like,
And hit that notification bell just to stay up to date. Yeah. And
thank you again.
help
See you
us a
in
lot
the
as well.
next one.
See you
Bye.
guys. Take care. Bye.